everyone. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, roll the hair in on itself, make 2 braids and then tie it up in alternate places. Roll up the other side as well and use a pin to make it stay in place. Add a pin in the middle of it. Next, start off by tying a ponytail and then add a hair twine into the hair. Now twist the hair ponytail around this hair twine and then roll it up into a bun. Add a decorative pin around it. Next, use a multiple pronged pin for the hair. Lift the ponytail up and then fasten it in place as such. Add a rubber band at the base, roll it up, use a pin in order to put it in its place. Take a section from the middle and then clip it up using this pin. After this, take a section from the left side, pull it up through the right side and do the same on the alternate side. As for the top, use a multiple pronged pin and then fasten it in its place in a bun. Next, use a multiple pronged pin or this kind of clip. Take 2 sections from either side, join it at the back in a rubber band. Now take 3 sections from the back and then alternatively tie them up in each of the divisions that are present. Roll the top portion into a bun, use a multiple pronged pin in order to make this bun. Take 2 sections from either side, tie it up at the back using a rubber band. Now take a decorative pin and then put it in its place. Tie the bottom up into a rubber band, then add another rubber band in the middle and then use a decorative clip in order to make it fastened in its place. Next, start off by taking a multiple pronged pin. Tie a ponytail at the back of the hair, then lift the ponytail up and then add your pin to it. Make the top portion into a bun and spread it out accordingly. Tie a ponytail and then use a multiple pronged pin in order to put it up in the side as such. In the top portion of it, make a bun out of it. Use the 2 pronged pin in order to fasten it in its place. Tie a ponytail and then roll this ponytail in on itself and tighten it. Comb it to breach the differences in the center. Then use a pin to make it stay in place in the top. Now use this kind of clip at the top of the hair after tying a section of it into it. Now take 2 sections of the hair from either side, join it to the top and the front. Do the same for all the other 2 hooks as well. There you have it. Thank you for watching.